Hello, this is Tux. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make peppered goat meat, commonly called asun in Nigeria. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. So asun is just goat meat, seasoned, boiled, grilled, and then fried with pepper and onions. The spicy level is up to you. It all depends on the amount of pepper you can handle, so feel free to spice it up to your taste. Personally, I have an issue with the goat meat being sold abroad. One, they are too expensive. Two, they are either full of bones or full of fat. So if you have a good recommendation on where to get good, fleshy and nice goat meat, kindly drop it in the comment section. Are you an asun lover? Have you ever had this before? Or when last did you have asun? Let me know in the comment section. Now that my goat meat is ready, I'm just going to cut into bite size and then fry. Since my goat meat was fatty and released a lot of oil, I'm just going to use a portion of it for frying. A warm welcome to everyone watching my video for the first time. My name is Tux, and on this channel I upload healthy and yummy meal recipe. So ensure you subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I post new video. And that will be all for today. Do not forget to like the video, share and comment. See you some other time with another yummy recipe.